it's Richline. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my decision to go relax after 7 whole years of being natural. One thing I would like to make clear is that I love my natural hair. The 7 years have been a journey full of climaxes and highs and lows. And I've really experienced what it's like to have natural hair after 15 years of being relaxed. So 15 years of being relaxed, 7 years of being natural, and now I think it's time to return to relaxed hair once more. Just to give you a little bit of background, I was 6 years in going natural and I was starting to fall out of love with it. I was struggling. My hair was very unhealthy. I wasn't keeping up with my treatments, my trims, nor my deep conditionings. So my hair kind of reflected that. So I spent the last year getting it back up and getting it back to where it was first off during my prime years of being natural. And I decided at that 6th year that if I really wanted to perm my hair, I would have to endure it for 1 more year to see if I could get excited about it again or stick to it. So to get a little bit of a preview to see what having relaxed hair would be like, I decided to get a press. In this picture, you'll see the results of that press in a healthy amount of split ends. And in this picture, you'll see the results of getting them nixed. And in this last pic, you'll see me wearing it in a bun to go to work. So today is my last day being natural. I'm actually going to the salon right now to go ahead and get it relaxed. So we'll see how that goes. This is it. I'm actually see if I can show you guys. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot of dead weight on it. But I like it. I truly do. I like it. I already know some hairstyles I'm gonna do. I really, really like it. I just like it. It really is. I don't know. Let me see. Show you guys. This is how. I don't know if you can see the scalp. This is how it's looking. If I put it into a ponytail, let me see. If I can even. It's a messed up ponytail, but I hope you get the point. I don't know. But hold on, let me get myself back. This is how it looks. I thought I was gonna cut into a bob, but I just decided to keep all the length and wait to see what I wanted to do with it. But it definitely feels different. I do not miss the burning feelings of a relaxer, but this hair is a bit of a relief. I won't be wetting it for like the first week or so. I won't be doing anything extra with it at all. I'll probably just wear it as like a ponytail to work or something or wear it down, but this is it. She's here. She's back. The relaxer is back. We'll see. We'll see how long it is before I want her back, or if I just stick with this and like this for a little while. Take 610, scene 2. Hey y'all. Hey y'all, it's Richline. Welcome.